Emily from Driftlead, back again with another video. Today, we are going to be talking about Facebook ads again, and more specifically discussing two metrics that come up a lot and often cause quite a bit of confusion. And those two metrics are reach versus impressions. In fact, these metrics apply to other advertising channels as well, although they most commonly come up when we're going through Facebook ads performance with our clients. In this instance, impressions are what you're paying for. So let's discuss reach versus impressions, what they mean, and how to interpret them for ideal campaign performance. If you've ever played around in the meta ads report section, you would probably be in awe of the number of metrics that are available to you. It's impressive, but overwhelming, and truth be told, not every metric is going to be a game changer for your campaign. When we're going through Facebook campaign performance with our clients, we often focus on different metrics depending on what the objective of the campaign is. But when we're optimizing these campaigns, we almost always do at least look at reach and impressions to get a better understanding of how things are working under the hood. So let's dive into these metrics a bit more. You'd think something that's so commonly mixed up would be somewhat complicated, but in reality, the definitions are pretty cut and dry. So impressions represent the total number of times your ad was displayed on someone's screen or the number of times it was seen, although it could be the same person seeing your ad multiple times. Reach, on the other hand, is a little more exclusive and encompasses the total number of unique individuals who saw your ad. One person, no double dipping here. Why does it matter? Well, knowing your reach tells you the scale of your audience, or in other words, how many people are getting introduced to your brand or your message. Impressions, on the other hand, are about frequency. So they're going to give you an idea of how often people are seeing your ad. So if you're looking to build brand awareness, you'll want a high reach, but you'll also want to keep in mind the number of impressions because sometimes it requires multiple touch points for your message or brand to resonate with the target user. So how can you use reach and impressions to actually optimize your campaigns? One practical tactic that we use all the time is frequency capping. What's that? It's a setting that allows you to limit the number of times your ad is shown to the same person within a given time frame. So why would you want to do this? Well, you might think that more impressions are always better, but there is a tipping point. Too many impressions on the same person can lead to ad fatigue. People just start to tune out your message, or worse, find it annoying. So this is where frequency capping can really help. By setting a cap, you're ensuring that you're not overspending on the same person over and over again, and that ads are being delivered to unique people within your audience. So this is not only going to save you money, but it's also going to enhance the user experience. And guess what? This tactic works hand in hand with optimizing your reach. By capping your frequency, you naturally encourage the campaign to spread your ad to more unique users, thereby increasing your reach. So you're not just avoiding overexposure, you're also broadening your audience. Let's talk about some FAQs we hear a lot when this topic comes up with our clients. Do reach and impressions affect the cost of my campaign? And yes, they influence your cost, especially when you're paying per impression or on a CPM basis. Can I aim for high reach and impressions? Absolutely, you can, especially if your objective is brand awareness. But if you're looking to drive lower funnel KPIs like sales or leads, higher reach and impressions are not always indicative of a good campaign. In fact, it's usually not. So make sure you're looking at metrics that encompass your campaign objective. In summary, both reach and impressions are valuable, but they serve very different purposes. The magic happens when you know how to utilize them in tandem to meet your specific campaign objectives. That wraps up today's chat about reach and impressions in Facebook ads. So for more in-depth guidance, be sure to grab our free marketing plan. Just click the link down below. And if this video is helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more marketing tips, tricks, and insights from Driftlead. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.